Hi guys, today we will talk about Instagram password, that how you can find or forget password of Instagram account. If you're new, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Now let's start. So first of all, we will click on our Instagram app. So now here we will enter phone number, email or username. So if you created your account on phone number, so you should enter a phone number. If you created on email, so you should, and then click on get help login in. Now here click on next, and here click on send an SMS. So they send you a 6-digit enter, and this enter now. Now my account is open, but I don't know that what is my account password. So for finding your password, so you should click on this three line in the corner, and now click on setting. Here we will click on security, and now click on the very first option, password. So here we can see current password, new password and new password again. So we don't know about our current password and new password because it is forgot it. So we will click on forgot your password. So here we can see text message sent. So they sent you a link and text form. So you should go and click on this link, and now it will load for a few seconds. And now here we can see new password and new password again. So create a strong password. So here we will give a new password. So I will give a new password. Now once again we will retype this password, and now here we can see rest password. So you should click on rest password. So it will take a few seconds. So now my password is found, and you can also find your password and log in your account with this process. And thanks for watching. Goodbye until to another video.